fun things to do. At home, fun things to do. At home, fun things to do. At home. With Hip Hop Harry. Hip Hop Harry. For this game, you need an outside space to play. You need two people, because we're gonna have a race. Get ready to exercise. Let the fun begin. It's an obstacle course, and only one can win. You need a bike or a power wheel, cones and net, a big exercise ball, and a soccer ball. Bet. This sounds like fun. Get ready to see if you can figure what this obstacle course might be. Hey, Leah. Hey, Aaliyah.
Hey, Hip Hop Harry.
Hi. High fives. All right. Girls, look around. What do you think this next activity is going to be?
I have a guess.
What's that, Aaliyah?
An obstacle course.
High five! Good answer. Exactly. So you guys do know what an obstacle course is, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. So listen, what you're gonna do is, you're gonna drive these cars right here all the way down to those big blue balls over there. You're gonna get off of your cars and you're gonna roll the balls in and out of those cones. And then when you're done with that, you're gonna kick the soccer ball into the goal. How does that sound?
Awesome.
Terrific. Okay, so the first person to do that wins a huge surprise balloon.
Cool.
Who do you think's gonna win?
I am.
Who has the best winning dance? Let me see both of your winning dances.
Okay.
Leah, you go first. Oh, 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 whoa, oh, oh, that's amazing. High five. What about you, Aaliyah? Let me see your dance.
Okay. I won.
Oh.
I won.
She won. Woo! Wow, that was awesome. High five. All right, girls. Aaliyah and Leah both want to win. Who you think is going to be first to kick the ball in? So if you want to find out, you're about to get a chance. I can't wait to see who's going to do the winner's dance. On your marks, get set, go! Wow, that was amazing! Good job, Leah!
Thank
Wow.
you. Good job, Leah.
Wow, that is great sportsmanship. Great job for that, Aaliyah, and you did a good job too. That was insane. I can't believe both of you missed your first kick. And then it was so close, even neck to neck. I thought both of you were gonna make it, to be honest. Wait a minute, I don't think I saw the winning dance. Leah, show us your winning dance. Oh, how? Aaliyah, show us your second place dance. What? Yeah. You know what? In obstacle courses, you guys both finished. Everybody's a winner. That was wonderful. Leah, let's go see what's inside of that surprise balloon.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, on the count of 3, I want you to pop this balloon and we'll see what we got. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Look it, I got a Hip Hop Harry mini doll.
Wow.
I always wanted one of these.
This was a great exercise, and Leah won. But Aaliyah and Leah both had good fun. It was awesome outside, such positive force. Great day to have a really fun obstacle course. We had a big exercise ball, a net with cones, a power wheel, and a soccer ball to get in the zone. The winner got a doll that looks just like me, but you can make your own surprise winner's gift to achieve. Yeah. Today we're gonna do a fun activity that you can do from home. You'll need supervision, so don't do this alone. I'll tell you all the things you need and what it's all about. And then I'll give you hints and see if you can figure it out. You need some vinegar, some baking soda, and some bottles. Then you need a couple large balloons and some goggles. The goggles are for safety, balloons we're gonna blow. Do you think you know? Time to see, let's go. Hey, Chloe, have you ever done any cool science experiments?
Yeah, at school, we made a little volcano and it even exploded a little bit.
Wow, that's awesome. That's one of my favorites. Well, I have a treat for you today. Today's gonna be a big science day.
Yay!
Yeah.
Science.
And I want you to meet a good friend of mine. I want to introduce Seth, the mad scientist. Come on in, Seth.
Hey guys. Hey Chloe.
Hey, Seth.
So Seth, why don't you tell us why you're here today?
Today we're gonna do an ultra fun experiment. We're using baking soda with vinegar.
Cool.
Step number 1, we ever so slightly put our vinegar into the water bottle.
Wow, vinegar is great. It also goes really great with my salads.
Is everybody ready for step number 2?
Yeah!
Let's put the baking soda in the balloon.
Whoa!
What does the baking soda do?
The baking soda adds to the vinegar and makes our special gas.
Ooh, I can't wait to see.
Now we go for the big, most important step.
What's that?
We're gonna put the balloon over the bottle very tightly because we don't want our gas to escape.
That is great.
We have to put on our goggles.
Oh, that's right. That's almost the most important part. Safety first. Safety's always important. Let me hear us all say, safety first.
Safety first!
Yeah, remember everybody, safety first. Put your goggles on to protect your eyes in case things go wrong. We gotta stay safe because safety works, and the goggles keep us safe, so it's safety first. All right, what's next?
Hip Hop Harry, Chloe, you guys can do this one with me.
Okay.
Oh,
Watch how I...
Sprinkle it down.
whoa, it's like an hourglass.
It's coming up. Why?
Look at
Gas
the balloon, whoa.
is filling up the balloon with carbon dioxide.
Whoa.
Oh. Sprinkle it down.
Oh, there it goes.
Uh-oh.
Look at that balloon go.
Eureka! Perfect!
Wow, starting to fizz. Oh,
Harry.
there goes the balloon. Go balloon.
Let's shake things up a bit.
Shake it up. Shake it up.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
So Seth, why are some of the balloons smaller or bigger than the others?
I put different amounts of vinegar and a different amount of baking soda in mine. Mine has more because I am a professional scientist.
Not fair.
Well, Chloe, I wanted to make sure you're safe. You
That's
have
true.
the perfectly most beautiful blue balloon I've ever seen in my life.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Hip Hop Harry,
What about mine?
yours looks just right, my friend.
Thanks. I tried to keep it just right. Yeah. Today we learned about a fun activity that we did straight from home base. Had to wear goggles so we could stay safe when we mixed the baking soda with the vinegar splash. It started a foam releasing CO2 gas. When we put the balloon on the top of the bottle, the gas blew up the whole balloon at full throttle. So till the next adventure, the fun don't stop. Now let's go play with these balloons and hope they don't pop. It's Hip Hop Harry in the mix. If you like to laugh and you're home, you're gonna love doing this. You'll need a few things before we start to roll. A water bottle, a table, paper towels, and a bowl. Keep the water in your mouth while the jokes are told. And the bowl is right there in case your mouth explodes. The towel's over there in case you make a mess. The game only works if your jokes are fresh.
Alrighty, so this is the water.
Try not to laugh challenge.
Who got it?
Got it. Okay.
All right, so this is how it works.
Okay. We put it in our mouth,
Right?
fill up our cheeks.
And then
He says the jokes,
Uh-huh.
and then if it's really funny, spit it out. And then after that,
Whoever spits out 3 times loses.
oh.
Whoever wins gets a surprise.
Yay!
All right, so you guys ready?
Yes.
All right, water up. Ready? All right, guys. Why do fish live in the salt water? Because pepper makes them sneeze. What type of bee can't make up its mind? A maybe. What does a nosy pepper do? It gets jalapeno business. There it is. We got one. All right, so Samantha spit it out once.
That was a good one. That was a good one.
That wasn't bad.
Jalapeno business.
Right? Did you hear about the race between lettuce and tomato? The lettuce was ahead and the tomato was trying to catch up. Okay, what did the pencil say to the other pencil? You're looking sharp. What did the bacon say to the tomato? Let us get together. How do you make a tissue dance? You put a little boogie in it. Why did we spit out? Oh boy! All right. Nice.
I
So
was
we
trying
got
so
it.
hard to make her laugh that I let myself laugh.
Boogie makes everybody laugh. Bam.
Boogie with it.
All right, ready? Why did the picture go to jail? Why did the picture go to jail? Because it was framed. How do you drown a hipster? In the mainstream. What do you get when you cross a cow and a duck? Milk and quackers. Uh-oh, there we go. Oh, no. Almost.
Wow, these two are a really tough crowd. What I gotta do to make them laugh out loud? I got this. I got some more jokes to tell. Let's see if these next jokes make them LOL.
What did the leopard say after eating its owner? Man, that hit the spot. What do you call a sleeping bull? A bulldozer. What's the tallest building in the world? No, oh, the library. Because it has the most stories. No, oh, there we go. Boom!
No!
It's all good.
Ursula, I don't think she had enough water in her mouth. But it's okay, she spit it out.
It came out anyway, right?
Water like this.
Why?
Because then if I like even do a faint laugh, it just comes out like that.
That'll be hilarious, though. Ready. Why did the birdie go to the hospital? To get a treatment? What do you call someone who's afraid of Santa Claus? Claustrophobic. Why didn't the skeletons go to the dance? Hey, because he had nobody to go with? Hey, what washes up on very small beaches? Microwaves. I guess that counts, no? Almost. What did the janitor say when he jumped out of the closet? Supplies! Oh man, wait, do we have a... No? What did one elevator say to the other elevator?
Hey, that
All right,
came
there
out
we
so
go.
long ago. It was like drip. Did you miss that? Did you not? It dripped out of her mouth and we continued the game.
I know, it's unbelievable. All right, Safina, you won. Great job.
Thank you.
Samantha, you did a great job too.
Yeah.
All right, you guys ready to see what the surprise is?
Yes.
All right, on three. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Whoa. Show
These are
everybody
my
what
favorite surprises.
Me too. Oh.
You can have one of them if you want to.
Oh, you're in this one, Fancy Footwear.
Yes, I am in that one. Let's see what our other
Wow.
ones. Oh, these are all the dances. We got the dance moves right here for you.
You know what's better than a game where I try to make you laugh? Spitting out water when you laugh like Splash. The only thing you need when you're ready and able is a bowl, paper towels, water bottle, and table. You also need a lot of good jokes to win. So make sure to be funny when you're ready to begin. And if you don't know a good joke to tell, find someone who's funny and just ask for help. Fun things to do at home with Hip Hop Harry.
Subscribe now.